My name is Ron Hollingshead. This is my wife, Marjorie. And in 2007, July of 2007, we had the misfortune of being struck by lightning. The fortunate part, we were home and put the fire out. But the lightning strike destroyed everything in the house, basically, that was on 220, 110, and low voltage. So the house was built in 1991 with 1991 technology. And the one thing we did find out through a little bit of research we did before we ran into the Train product was that the technology in heating and cooling had come a long ways from 1991. Looking over the different systems to put in, we had a representative from Horizon Mechanical talk to us about the Train system. And when I talk about the Train system, I'm talking about the 95% efficiency furnace, the heat pump, the filtration system, and the humidifier. Basically the grand slam and the whole package. It applied to us very well because at the time in 91, we did not finish the basement and I did not have the foresight to zone the house for heating and cooling, and basically it turned the basement into a refrigerator. But when the Train system was installed, it had a multiple speed, it had sensor, it ran continuously, rather as a low speed or a higher speed, and it basically turned half of our house back into a livable unit. It's a system that's constantly on, but you never hear the rushing air. You never hear the sound like from what they call a forced air system, where you can definitely tell when it's on. It sounds like a small hurricane, or when it's off, it's a kind of a refrigeration unit. We've been, I'd say, highly satisfied with the unit. It's basically the efficiency of the whole system has kept pace with the rise in the cost of natural gas and electricity. So we haven't had a significant rise in price, and we've had an extreme, noticeable increase in our comfort throughout the house.
You set it on 69 degrees and you forget about it. And it keeps us perfectly warm as we go throughout the house. It's just wonderful. We have a lot of artificial flowers, as you can see, as well as real plants. But I've noticed I don't have to dust those as often. We have a lot of glass that doesn't need to be dusted as often, so we're definitely getting a cleaner environment. And the humidity is wonderful. It always stays at a normal pace, and you don't get shocked, so you can tell that the humidity is in good shape, and my skin feels softer. All in all, it's just a wonderful system.
It is. It changed the whole dynamics, quite honestly, of the heating and the cooling system in the house. And it kind of was let me, for my shortcomings when I built the house and not zoning the heat or the cooling, it allowed me to make up for that finally. So I guess in a sense the lightning strike was a good thing, because it sure made the house more comfortable for the last 4 years.